Hi everybody. Now that I've already finished covering the capabilities of the database management program Scid, I would like to continue with lesson 1 of the Tnk64ChessCourse, and this particular part of the course will cover BabasChess, a free client for playing chess on the free internet chess server. Arguably the best place to play chess online for free. So this is the basic layout that I have. And unlike in Scid, I think it's very important that you customize this program because as you can see, we've got a lot of windows surrounding the board here, and there are default features for having these windows set up. Instead of that, we're just going to go Files, Themes, and they have a set of different themes. They have a few default full themes designed specifically for BabasChess, and a few that have been designed for those who are more familiar with other programs, or just for those who like the look of those other programs. And we have representations of Blitzen, C Client, Thief, and Winboard. I personally just like to use the Blitzen layout, which is the one we have here. We've got this nice sleek board here. Okay, so now that we've just done that, let's just take a look at some of the windows. It's the information window. So this shows the sort graph. So if you don't want to have to look at all the seeks in the main console, you've just got your sort graph here, and this is a nice way to just visually see. Okay, 15-0, maybe I want a bit shorter than that, so go to the left a bit. Or I want to play someone a bit stronger than 2000, go up a bit. So that's a nice feature, and we've also got a sort list that should load sometime. Also some pending offers. So that's the information window. We've got the channels. This is more to do with the free internet chess server itself, but the free internet chess server has lots of different channels. These are the ones that I have open by default, and this is something you can do in the free internet chess server, something that you can't do with Jin or Winboard, or I'm not even sure Raptor can handle that, and that is undoubtedly the best alternative to BabasChess. And these channels also have different functions, so if I want to play Bughouse, I have to have this channel open at all times, and I'll need to click open for Bughouse over here. Open for Bughouse. It's probably better known as transfer chess for those of you who don't know what Bughouse is. There's also the chat window, so you can just chat with any player who's online just by typing in their username here, which is a really nice feature. You can also chat with someone whom you're playing using this window here by clicking the chat. So I'm not playing a game here, I'll just say hi for the sake of it, and there you can see hi, and he'd be able to respond while playing a game, or she, if we don't want to be completely sexist. You can also make comments on the game. So say for example, that was a blunder, if you want to type that for some reason. You can analyze your games, which is really nice. They use the crafty chess engine, so let's just say I played this game where white resigned right off the bat, and I want to see if white should have resigned. Of course the answer is no, but you know, for the sake of it. And so you can actually use an engine to analyze it within the program, and that's a really cool feature. You can also see the observers who are watching a game, another good feature. And these are buttons for turning off the windows. So we've got the move list, pops up here when we're playing a game. Show the console, this here, that's like the main thing in Fix. Where you can use this to do any function, but it's much friendlier to use the great program we have here in BabasChess. You can flip the board, you can turn on or off auto flag, you can edit the game properties for PGN, and you can go into edit mode to see, okay, could white have tried d4 here, and you know, maybe it's not resignable. Of course it's not, but edit mode, so you can analyze a game, and then you can save it once you leave edit mode.